That's ammonia solution. It's basically what you're going to use in Windex or any sort of cleaning agent. But this is like kind of concentrated, more concentrated than you could buy from Food Line. Ammonia solution releases ammonia gas, which is what I want in this experiment. And I'm going to put it in this round bottomed flask. And I'm just going to swirl it around. This gas is very volatile, which means it changes very easily into a gas. So just swirling it around a little bit makes this top of this flask fill up with ammonia gas. What was the gas that was in there originally? Just air, right. So now the ammonia gas is filling that area, pushing the air out. So we've still got air there. But there's something else I'm going to do to make more ammonia gas. I'm going to heat it. Ammonia solution boils at like a low temperature of 76 degrees. So when I boil it, it's going to produce some more ammonia gas. So let's do that. And hopefully you'll be able to see the bubbles as it starts boiling. While that's working, I've got a multitask here. I've got a jar of liquid of water over here, and I'm going to put some potassium permanganate in there just to give it a nice color. This experiment is called the fountain experiment. And you'll see why. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the bubbles. The ammonia gas is starting to be released in those bubbles there, filling up this top. There's still a little bit of air there, but I want to get as much ammonia as I can as possible. Now, you guys can see the flame, but I don't want you to think that that temperature is... Well, I'm not going to give you the answer to that one. Okay, the experiment is going to start after I've heated it. Okay, after I've heated it. So ammonia gas is filling this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stopper and I'm going to put it inside there and seal it up. But there's a glass tube inside it, you can see. I'm going to put my finger in to stop it. But I want to get rid of the liquid, so I'm going to pour the liquid down the drain. Turn this off. So now this jar is filled up with mainly ammonia gas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this tube into the water, and something cool is going to happen, and that's the experiment that you are going to answer on the whiteboards. What are the constants? What are the variables? How does the independent variable affect the dependent variable? It's going to happen very quick. But before I do this, I want to say one more thing. Ammonia is very soluble in water. What do you think I mean by soluble? When we say it's very soluble, what does it want to do in water? Dissolve. Okay. So the ammonia gas inside here dissolves very easily in water. And it's going to be in contact with water because this tube is going to allow the ammonia gas to touch the water. So ammonia is very soluble in water. That's a key for this experiment. Okay, watch. It's going to be very quick. We call it the fountain experiment. All right. So, why did that happen on your whiteboards?